Hey everyone, have you ever noticed that a tiny hole in your teeth and thought that maybe it will just go away on its own? Well, today we are going to discuss about the biggest myth about cavities. Stick around because it will save your teeth and also your wallet. Cavities are like small little ninjas, so small that you can't even always feel them. But can they actually heal on its own? Let's break it down. A cavity forms when the bacteria feast on the leftover food of your mouth, especially the sugars. They produce acids which slowly eats away the outer covering of the tooth, that is enamel. Think like the termites in the woods. The more you ignore it, the worse it gets. Here is the deal. Early cavities like white spots on your teeth can actually be reversed. How you can recognize it? When your tooth is clean and air dried, white spots can be seen on the outer covering of your tooth, that is enamel, which is easily visible on the naked eye. In this stage, the minerals like phosphorus, calcium along with the fluoride can help to stop the damage of the tooth by strengthening the enamel of the tooth. But once the hole is formed in the tooth, there is no natural healing. Your tooth cannot regenerate itself just like your skin, so the cavity keeps growing until a dentist steps in or the tooth receives the proper kind of treatment. Now, what is the solution? How to stop cavities from getting worse? Number 1. Use a fluoride containing toothpaste and mouthwash. Number 2. Brush twice daily and floss once daily. Here it is also important to note that timing of brushing is very important, just like the correct brushing procedure. So try to brush just after major meals, that is lunch and dinner. It will give the highest benefit. And number 3 is visit your dentist as soon as possible once you notice any white spots on your teeth or any other dental problem. So, have you ever ignored a cavity in your tooth? What happened? Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.